everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Raising Things. I have had, if anybody knows me and has been on my page or on my channel for quite a while, knows I have a lot of allergies, a lot of sinuses, a lot of sore throats. And a friend of mine from my page sent me this recipe from Pinterest to try. It's for a tea that's supposed to help if you have a sore throat. So here it is. I thought I'd share it. It's a cup of water, a cup of orange juice, and 1 teaspoon of honey, and we got the pure honey. And it's 1 tablespoon. And then 1 bag of crisp peppermint tea. Which I'm not a tea drinker, so I guess I'll see how this works for me. One bag of tea, peppermint, and 1 container of orange tea, which I've drank tea a few times, and the orange tea was what I would drink. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I thought it was 1 big bag of tea. And then steep the tea. And if you want more sugar, you can add sweetened lemonade. If you like less sugar, you can add less honey. And there is the tea that's supposed to help your throat and relieve a sore throat and make you feel better. It smells wonderful. I can't wait to try it, but it's so hot it'll be a while. But if you'd like to try this recipe, it's from Pinterest, and it said it was a copycat from Starbucks, but other people said it was just called a medicine ball. I don't know. I don't drink coffee, so I don't go to Starbucks. But I'm going to try this for my sore throats and me having so many throat issues. Talk to you later. Bye. Hope everybody feels well and doesn't need this.